show you my colours in a moment. If you're not interested in those, if you just want to see the actual painting, just skip forward to 4 minutes 41 seconds. All my colours are in the description box below. Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. Hope you're all doing well today. So what I'm going to do today, I'm using a faux pillow. So I'm putting my white house paint down, and then this black will be over the top of it, and this is mixed exactly the same as I mix my colours, and all the details will be in the description box below. So this has got my pouring medium in it, so puddle of that on top of my white so it stretches it a little bit further. And then this is one of the new Stuck Up Pigs SUPs from Fluid Art Co, and this is Pompous. Oh, where's the camera? It's really hard to show you. This is the one that goes from a deep red to a really bright cherry red, and then it goes to a burnt orange and gold. Not sure whether you'll be able to see. So what I've already got the name in mind for this. I want to call it Blood Moon. Whether it comes off, I don't know. So I'm going to do like a spin swipe with that. A bit similar, well, similar to how I did my Dragon Moon. So that's what I'm aiming for with the Pompous. And then I'm going to do some swipes, and these are the colours I'm using. This is TLP Mosh, This Little Piggy Mosh. This Little Piggy Parakeet. There's just Jasper Tit tapping around. Hey Jasps. TLP Hustle. TLP Afterglow. Mont Marte Lime Green. And Jo Sonja Aqua. That's too thick as well. So yeah, Halloweeny type colours. I know pink isn't very Halloweeny, but I'm throwing it in anyway, and I know aqua isn't either, but I didn't want to just use yellow and green. So my substrate today is a 15-inch MDF round. So fingers crossed. So let's get messy. So as you can see, I'm going for a second attempt. The first one I didn't mind the swipes. They look quite like spooky shrubs and grasses, but I didn't like my moon. I'd done it too high up, and as I spun, it started to go off, and then the cells were getting really misshapen. So let's go again. I love these Chameleon Pigments. So luscious. If you ordered any, let me know in the comment section below if you've ordered some, and let me know if you like this, if you think it's spooky for Halloween. I think it is. If you do like it, please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and then you'll know when I put out a new video, and you can hit the notification bell. And thank you all for being here with me. Happy Halloween to those of you who celebrate, and everybody take care. Stay safe. I'll see you all next time. Thanks guys. Bye.